Hi, it's Alena Gedeonova, broker with Royal LePage Equity Realty, and today I'd like to welcome you a beautifully appointed one-bedroom suite with den, located at 35 Marina Terrace, right next to Rogers Center. And did I mention it comes with den? It's set up as a home office, so if you're working from home, this unit is perfect for you. Comes with parking and a balcony. Come on in. Thank you for coming along to see this beautiful and spacious suite. If you have any questions or you would like to book in-person viewing, please contact me at 416-709-3153 or visit my website at www.alenahomesforsale.com. I'll see you soon.